Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. What I really want to see is that.
If it's your first time tuning in to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do uploading videos.
Alright you guys, so neon green is a bold, bright, beautiful color. That's the hottest trend of the season. I mean, everyone's rocking this neon green color, so why not put it into a makeup tutorial? So I decided today, you guys, to do a nice purplish burgundy-ish look with a cut crease of a neon green. So I hope you guys enjoy it and you like it. And let's get into this video, you guys.
Alright you guys, so before we get started on this fabulous makeup look, I've already done my brows, I've already added my concealer and my white setting powder to make sure that my face is matte. So now you guys, we're going to go in with my MAC palette. This palette is Burgundy Times, you guys. I want to create more of a purple, burgundy-ish, you know, base color with a cut crease of a neon green. So I feel like these colors would look super cute and super fab together. So I'm just kind of playing around with my makeup. I'm actually going to be using a variety of different shades, you guys. With my base transition color, it's going to be more of a softer pink. This is a blush, you guys. I'm just using it as an eyeshadow. You can do that if you didn't know. And then I'm actually going to be using this blush as well to kind of blend in, and then we're going to go in with some of these colors here, these burgundy colors here, to kind of give us our complete look. So you guys, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to go in with my MAC NC45. This is a concealer, you guys. I use it to shape my eyebrows, but it's also good for any cut crease. I would definitely do it if you are cutting your crease or you're sculpting your brows to get the perfect brow. So I'm actually going to be using a flat end brush, you guys, today to be able to achieve my look of a cut crease. We're not going to do a huge cut crease, but I do want to get in and, you know, set that in for the lime green and the neon green to be So now we're going to go in with our green foil plate and we're going to add it to our cut crease up here. I am so excited to be using this. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty and it's so rich in color. So you guys, we're just going to